Welcome. Today we are going to present one of our most versatile products from our fiber optic line. Today we are going to talk about a fiber optic solution designed to offer efficient and durable solutions in our installation. The product comes in a Ziploc bag with a sticker containing all the technical specifications of the product. It is sealed, ensuring it is protected. Once we access it, we notice that it has two tabs on either side that make it easy to open and reach its contents. Once inside, we see that it comes with its installation kit, and in this case, it comes with a coupler. The most basic format comes with just the box, which you can adapt to your needs. Another option this solution offers is the ability to change the adapters to suit our needs. For example, at this moment, we are currently using an SC simplex connector. However, we have the option to change it to an LC duplex connector with a PC finish. One of the main features of this product is its versatility. It is designed to work with both fusion connections and quick connections. This allows us to have flexibility to work in different applications. Whether you work with fusion or quick connectors, this solution offers everything you need for a safe and quick installation. Our fiber optic solution is available on our website and through our authorized distributors. Don't miss the opportunity to improve your installations with a superior quality product. See you next time.